Hello everyone, Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. Super excited because I have a news for you guys. I'm starting new YouTube channel all about drones. I'm super excited. I'm gonna need your help in a second. Super excited about this new YouTube channel because I wanted to start this YouTube channel since a long time ago, but I think now is the perfect time, I believe. So I need your help. I'm launching this YouTube channel. I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below. Also, check the link in the pinned comment. So let me know what do you think about this new interesting channel. I need your support there. Just if you go there, subscribe and let me know what do you think about this new interesting idea. I wanted to start YouTube channel about drones because I think the drone industry is just crazy, super popular, so many options there. And now I need your help, I need your support. What is the best entry-level drone in 2024, 2025? So let me know in the comments below what you recommend as a first entry-level drone. So criterias, I think the more important is to have a very good recording capabilities. Obstacle avoidance, again, this is very good, but the price will go up. It's not very essential. Cool features, smart return to home, we know that. GPS, obviously. So what is your recommendation, guys? Let me know in the comments below. What is your recommendations? What drone do you have at the moment? Price range, again, depends, around 400, maybe 500 pounds, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. I have this drone, I bought it a couple of years ago. This was my first drone. This is the Rise Tello. Cool drone for kids, 720p camera, HD. Again, this is perfect if you want to learn the basics, but I think I'm ready to buy my first proper drone, like first entry-level drone with all the cool whistles and bells, with return to home features, GPS and so on. So yeah, I need your help, guys. Please go to my new YouTube channel, subscribe there and leave a comment in this channel. The future of this channel is gonna be still the same. I'm still gonna upload videos about tech because I love technology. I love to make videos about everything basically tech related. I still am gonna upload videos on this channel, but I want to have a separate channel which is going to be dedicated only for drones. I think it's fair to have a separate channel for that. This is going to be my main channel again. But yeah, super excited, super happy, and I need your help. Leave a comment. What is the best drone, entry-level drone to buy in 2024, 2025? Thank you for watching, guys. Super excited. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.